Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download Clipchamp video editing software. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to copy that and search for Microsoft Store. So here you can see in my recent, click on that. So it will take few seconds to open the store. Okay, so once it is open, you simply need to search on the top, that is Clipchamp. Hit enter. So let me search. So this is the first one, click on that, and then you simply need to click on install button here. So let me show you how you can see install button. So once you click on get, you can get that in your PC. So I already download this. Then you simply need to click on open. So this is the video editing software and it will take few seconds to open that, and you can easily edit your video in Microsoft Clipchamp in this software. So you can get different things here. So create a new video and you can easily edit your video here. You can add, import, and anything that you can. If you want, you can upgrade as well. So it is up to you. So this is the process by which you can download Clipchamp. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.